This is my apple cranberry crumble. Happy holidays, everybody. I hope you enjoy it. Oh my gosh, you don't even need whipped cream or ice cream. This is perfect. I love you. Okay, isn't that fun?
Hi, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher and welcome to my kitchen. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous holiday dessert. It's one of my favorites of all time. It's my apple cranberry crumble. This is low in calorie, high in flavor. So make sure you pay attention and you got to try this at home and let me know how you like it and hit the like button, okay?
I'm just going to coat my dish with cooking spray. Then preheat the oven to 400 degrees. I've got all my apples peeled. I'm putting a little bit more lemon juice on it just so that they don't brown. I mean, they've browned a little bit. Life isn't perfect, but that's okay. I'm putting in a little bit of coconut palm sugar. So that's just going to kind of go everywhere. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, cinnamon, or nothing. I do nutmeg and cinnamon in mine. I'm just going to give it a nice toss. And then I'm going to put my cranberries in. Just going to give it a toss. That's about 1 cup of cranberry. So fun, so holiday-ish. Here is the rest of the cranberry. I say load it up, baby. And the thing is fruit is loaded with water, so this is going to cook down a lot. And we're going to get it all in there. I'm going to use my hands. Can we not be perfect? This might be too much. If I have too much, I'm just going to do one other thing. 1/4 cup of flour. This is for the crumble topping. Teaspoon. Actually, it's like more than a teaspoon. Toss. Super easy. The next step is to take the crumble out of the fridge, and then we're just going to sprinkle it on top. This is the one that comes out so good in my opinion. So I might have used too many apples, but I'm proud of that. My whole theory is you go higher on the fruit, lower in the sugar, and it's just going to come out delicious. Now it's ready to go in the oven. Apple cranberry crumble, and then just like Lululemon, oops, we made too much, and so now we have the overflow. So I'm going to slide it in. 400 for 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I can't believe it's healthy. There's no way, but I made it, so it must be so delicious. I can't even right now. Oh my God. You don't even need whipped cream or ice cream. This is perfect. Baby, this year, it's just gonna be